In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Photopea 2026 step by step. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once it loads, head to the top menu and choose File, then Open. Select the image or design you want to edit. This can be a JPG, PNG, PSD, or any project you're already working on. Give it a second to load so all layers appear correctly in the workspace. Now look over to the Layers panel on the right side. Find your text layer, the one with the T icon next to it. That T icon tells you the text is still editable vector text, not flattened into pixels. If you don't see the T icon and the layer just looks like a regular image thumbnail, it means the text was rasterized at some point and direct color changes won't apply to typed characters. For this process, make sure you're selecting a layer that shows the T icon so you can update the color cleanly. Next, activate the type tool. You can do this by clicking the T icon in the toolbar on the left or by pressing the T key on your keyboard. With the type tool active, click directly on your text in the canvas to place the cursor. If you want to recolor just part of the text, say a single word or a few letters, drag to highlight only that portion. If you want to recolor all of it, you can select the entire line or simply leave the cursor within the text to apply the color to the whole layer. With the text active, look up to the top toolbar. This is the options bar for the type tool. You'll see a small color box there that shows the current text color. Click that color box to open the color picker. In the color picker, you can drag within the spectrum to explore hues, adjust brightness and saturation, or enter an exact hex code if you have a brand color. You can also sample a color from your image by using the eyedropper within the color picker, which is great for matching text to elements in your design. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK to confirm. Your text color updates instantly on the canvas. If it doesn't, double check that you clicked inside the correct text layer and that the type tool is still active. When everything looks right, you can switch back to the Move tool to continue designing or save your project through File, then export or save as PSD depending on what you need next. That's it. Quick, precise, and fully editable. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Photopea.